welcome back to this channel. Today I'm painting my room with you guys. So let's do that. Okay, so it's not really that much of a mess. It's just I opened up a disco ball. So yeah, now it's kind of a mess. A mess. A mess. So yeah, that's good. Gonna clean that up. So what we're going to do is put these boxes over here. And we're going to throw these away and like any type of paper or stuff on the floor. We're going to pick it up and then put it in a bag and throw it away. Ooh, bubble wrap. Let's do that right now. Put everything in this one bag. Now we're going to throw this away. Today I'm using my phone. Very bad camera quality. There's my Capri Sun. My outfits, yeah. Okay. Anyway, now we're gonna pick up this area. Like, we're gonna pick up all these jackets, which is this one and that one over there. Pick up all the jackets right now. So we picked up both of the jackets and that made a really big difference. Now we're gonna pick up all of these shoes. Okay, all of the shoes. All of the shoes. We're gonna do that right now. So I picked up all the shoes. I organized that right there. We're gonna have to go back to school one day. I shoved the shoes over there. I have those shoes over there because I'm trying to use that for a project. Hashtag my American Revolution project. If you have not seen when I was making that video, when I was making that on a video, go check that out. The American Revolution thing, project thing. So now we're going to pick up all of the books. Yes, all of them. That'll make a very big difference. So let's do that right now. Pick up all the books, which really made a really big difference. So I'm going to pick up all the clothes and items and bags on the floor. So let's do that. Did that and obviously made a big difference. Hold on. Let me do that. Then I'm going to put those next to my project. Because I'm going to be having that, as you can see over here. And so yeah, thanks for watching my videos. Bye guys!